Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like, comment, subscribe, or just one of those things. It'll really help me out a lot. The thumbs up, very important in the algorithm, so in interaction. So anyways, we have a little haul here today. I got some items in that I had ordered, back in March. I still have a few that are due to come in, they say, by May 11th, so we'll see. And then I got a few comfort morale boosting items, so let's get started. So we got our raw wildflower honey, and I use a lot of honey in my husband's granola. I mean, I don't use a lot in the batch, but I use a lot making a batch like every couple of weeks. And then the next time I get some hamburger, I'm going to do a copycat recipe of, I think it's Wolf brand chili. So I got some Mexican chili powder and some Texas TNT jalapeno powder. This one was as close as I could get to the brand that the recipe calls for, or the type that the recipe calls for. I got a 5-pound bag of Jasmine rice, just to have some variety in our rices. I got another used cookbook, Authentic Mexican Cooking. So if you're storing up on your masa harina, you can make tortillas, gorditas, all sorts of stuff, tamales. And then this is, I haven't been able to get this 3 or 4 years, and it's my favorite flavor, Tutti Frutti. Like, I love Tutti Frutti. And I found some, so I got 2 bags of this, and this one's going to go into one of these jars and be vacuum sealed so it doesn't get hard as a rock. It's saltwater taffy. I just absolutely love that stuff. I used to get it at the fair, and the fair hadn't had it. Well, when was the last time we were able to go to the fair? 2019, and they didn't have it. And I don't think they had it in 2018 either, and then we haven't been since. I got a 6-pack of Prego. You guys, I have to tell you, I am stormed out. It's been storming for days. I'm so tired battling water from coming in and everything else. This is also another morale booster. It is Musketeers, 3 Musketeers, Milky Way, Twix, and Snickers. My husband's already been eating the Snickers, and I'm also going to put this in a vacuum sealed bottle. I got some sunflower seeds for my husband's granola as well, and these are 1 pound. Yeah, 1 pound of sunflower seeds. And then I got some macadamia nut pieces. Whole ones are too expensive. It's hard to find a decent bag of whole ones, and I like to use these in baking. I will put these in the freezer because I just think these have a higher fat content than most of your nuts. All my other nuts I vacuum seal, and they last forever. I got some raw pistachios so I can do them any way I want. And then I got my payday 3 packages of freeze-dried food. This is ground beef. This is fully cooked. I got some freeze-dried yellow squash. Hopefully I'm able to grow my own. We'll see with all this rain. I've already had the mildew on my baby plants. I've treated them, so we'll see what happens. I got some freeze-dried cheddar jack cheese. I got a package of the Idahoan loaded potato hearty soup. I have tried their potato soups. I find them a tad bland compared to the Bear Creek potato soups, but you can zhuzh them up with your seasoning. So other than that, they're pretty good. But Bear Creek potato soup will be my favorite. I got a 12-pack of the chicken a la king. It was a pretty good price on Amazon. And then I got a sushi making kit, and it also makes the triangle shaped Japanese rice molds. It has a bazooka roller, another type of rice mold, sashimi rice mold. I don't do sashimi. I don't do the raw fish. The rice paddle, the rice spreader, a sushi knife, chopsticks, 5 sets of those, 2 bamboo mats, the avocado knife. I don't know if we even need one of those, but 2 sauce dishes, 2 chopstick holders, and an oil brush. So I just thought that would be handy for a novice sushi maker. So if you've seen in the other videos, I've bought the nori and stuff like that to make like bibimbap and sushi rolls with my pantry staples and whatever fresh veggies you can get. I finally got the black bean burger mix. I think I now have 3 of those. And I got that when they were on sale on Amazon. It took forever to get here. Oh, it's heavy. I got the bread and scone roll mix, and the only reason I bought that was because it's already packaged for you. And it was also on sale, I think, for like $7. I got some more banana chips. They were also on sale at the time. I think those are like 20-something now. And then I got these potato shreds only because they were on sale. And we use stuff like that on a regular anyways, but again, I got those because they're already packaged for me. So that is my little haul for today, and I'm going to put it all away. Oh, and then I canned 9 jars of hamburger yesterday. Got 4 ground beef and 5 meatloafs. So I got that kicked out while the storm was going yesterday, keeping my fingers crossed that the power didn't go out. So, yep, that's our haul for today. If you have any questions or ideas, post them down below. If you have good recipes for like this bread and scone and roll mix, put those down below too. And you all stay safe. You stay prepared for storm season because it is definitely here. We had a heck of a hailstorm this morning. I was like, jeepers, it's never going to stop. And so yeah, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay weather prepared. And I will see you all in the next video.